Right, my dear grade 8 student. So this is the first lesson of your syllabus. What is the lesson pattern? Number patterns, right? Number patterns, right? This is the first lesson. Very easy lesson and very important lesson, right? Easy but important, right? Not like the grade 7, grade 8, you will able to find the general term. What is the meaning of general term? Before that one, let's try to remind the what are the number patterns you have learned so far. අපි දැනට ඉගෙනගෙන තියෙන pattern number patterns ටික චුට්ටක් බලමු. Right? Look at the number patterns you have learned so far, right? Very basic one from the grade 6. You are learning about the odd numbers and the even numbers. Look at this one, odd numbers, right? Odd numbers. Odd numbers means not divisible by 2. Deking bedenne naha, not divisible by 2. So what are the odd numbers? 1, 3, 5, 7, 9, 11. Odd numbers. Opposite one, that means even numbers. Even numbers. Even numbers. Even numbers means numbers that are divisible by 2. 2, 4, 6, 8, 10, ... Even numbers. So that are the even numbers. Then next one, primary numbers. Primary numbers. Right? Primary numbers means numbers having only 2 factors. Numbers having that are only 2 factors. Only 2 factors are there. Look at this one. Only 2 factors are there. Then I will show you some examples, right? Look at the examples. 10. 10 means 1 into 10. 10 equals to 2 into 5. So how many factors are there? How many factors are there? 4 factors. 1, 3, 2, 1, 2, 5, 10. 4 factors are there. 4 factors are there. 4 factors means not the prime number. Why? In the prime number, there should be only 2 factors. What are the numbers having only 2 factors? 2. 2 into 1. 1 into 2. 2 into 1. That's okay. 3, 5, 7, 11. Likewise, you can continue. Primary numbers. Lamai, next one. What is the next one, Petio? Odd numbers are there. Even numbers are there. Primary numbers are there. So what is the next one? Next one. What is the next one? Even numbers are there. So what is the next one? Composite numbers. That means composite numbers. Composite numbers. Composite numbers means numbers having more than 2 factors. That means more than 2 factors. More than 2 factors. Numbers having more than 2 factors. Look at this one. 4. Why? How can be 4 a composite number? 4 equals 1 to 2. And 4 equals 2 to 2. Look at this one. How many factors are there? 1 is a factor, 2 is a factor, 4 is a factor. How many factors are there? 3 factors. How many factors are there? 3 factors. So that means composite number 6, 8, 9, 10, 12. Likewise, you can continue. Odd numbers, even numbers, primary numbers, and also composite numbers, right? And also composite numbers, right? So those are the main number patterns we already learned so far. But Lamai, and also another 2 number patterns are there, right? Another 2 number patterns are there. What are them? Have you remember that one? Matakaida? Have you remember that one? Just quickly note it down, Pedro. Number patterns, odd numbers, even numbers, primary numbers, and the composite numbers. Right? Then after these 4, then you need to note it down in your lesson book, right? You need to note it down. in your lesson book patio, right? Okay. Lesson book means you need to take CR book for the lesson book, right? Then write down that one very clearly. Lesson to material odd numbers. Right. I'm quickly moving to the next one. Right. Now, next pattern, I'm just going to clear this one. Look at this one. Triangular numbers and square numbers. You know that one, right? Triangular numbers and square numbers. Look at this one. Triangular numbers and square numbers, right? Triangular numbers. Triangular numbers. Triangular numbers means you can arrange that one into the triangular format. Like this, like this, right? 1, 1 plus 2, 3, 1 plus 2 plus 3, that means 6. Likewise, you can continue. What are the triangular numbers? 1, 3, 6, 1, 3, 6, and 10. So those are the triangular numbers. There is another format, square numbers. Square numbers. Square numbers means like this. Right? You need to arrange that one into the square format. Right? 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4. Is it a square? No. 1, 2, 3, 4 means for the downside also there should be 4 dots. Right? 1, 4, 9, 16. Square numbers, right? Triangular numbers and the square numbers, right? Basically, so those are the number patterns we have learned so far. Just quickly note it down, Patio. Draw that one very clearly, right? Right, okay. Lama, in grade 8, then you need to learn about another 2 number patterns. What are them, right? Yes, what are them? In addition to that, then I already mentioned that what are the number patterns you have learned so far. Ne? In addition to that, you need to learn 2 number patterns. Look at this one. First one, right? Finite number patterns. Finite numbers. Right? Finite numbers. Finite means, right? Finite number patterns, right? Finite number patterns. Finite number pattern. Finite number pattern means, that means limited. That means limited. Limited. I will show you example, right? As an example, even numbers from 0 to 10. Even numbers from 0 to 10. So what are the numbers? 2, 4, 6, 8, and 10. So that's all. That's all. Even numbers from 0 to 10. That's all. No need to write down in addition to that, because 10 should be the last number. How many numbers are there? 5 numbers. 2, 4, 6, 8, 10. So that's all. Finite, limited. Then what is the next one, Pedro? Next one, infinite number patterns. Next one equals to infinite number pattern. Next one equals to infinite number pattern. Infinite number pattern means no any limit, so just like even numbers. Even numbers, right? Just like even numbers, that means 2, 4, 6, 8, 10, dot, dot, dot. There are no any limits. Limits ne. You can see some dots are there. You can see some dots are there. Some dots are there means no limits. So you can write down further. Finite number and the infinite numbers. Okay, right. Just quickly note it down this one. Right. Okay, my dear student. Now look at this one video. Question number 1. There are no any topics. So the topics mukus ne. Look at this one. 2, 4, 6, 8. Likewise, you can write it down. So this one is the first term, right? This is the first term. First term. So this one, third term. This one equals to third term. First term means we can write down that one as T1. What is that one? T1. Third term means T3. Likewise, this one, first one, second one, third one, fourth one, that means T4. Right? What is that one? T4. Right, okay. Question number 2, look at this one. Question number 2, I'm taking 3, 6, 9, 12 likewise. T1 equals to 3, T2 equals to 6, T3 equals to 9. Likewise, you can do. Question number 3, 0, 5, 10, 15, dot, dot, dot. Now quickly tell me, T1 equals to 0, T2 means second term, Patio, T2 means second term, T2 equals to 5, 3 means third term equals to 10, T4 means fourth term equals to 15. Right? Likewise, you can do. Okay? This is the third one. Number patterns, right? Question number 4. Question number 4. What is the question number 4? Question number 4. Right. Like this. Look at this one. 7, 14, 21, blah, blah, blah. That means T1 equals to first term. T2 equals to second term. That means 14. T3. Right, T3. Can you please tell me the T4, buddy? What is the T4? 28. 28 is the T4. That means adding 7, no? Adding 7 to each number. Then you can do this one. Right? Now, then after this one, we need to find out the general term. What is the meaning of the general term? General term means, Lamai, now T1, T2, T3, T4, T5, there are so many terms now. So we need to find the common term. We need to find the common term. That one is general term. General term, common term, general term. That means we need to find down the general term, common term for the number pattern. Why we need to find out the common term? Then we can easily find any number. එතකොට පැටියෝ අපිට ඕන number එකක් හොයන්න පුළුවන්. So many advantages are there. ගොඩක් වාසි තියෙනවා. හරි. Now we will learn that how to find the general term of the number pattern. Then after this, then you can note it down. Right. Look at this on Lamai. Now I'm quickly moving to the next chapter. What is that one? General term. Finding general term. That means, look at this one. I will do 3 examples. How many examples, Patio? 3 examples. You need to consider this one. Just look at this one very carefully. Try to understand the concept. We need to find out the general term of this number pattern. Now look at this one. T1. T1 means first term. First term equals to 2 into 1. 2 means 2 into 1, that is equals to 2. Okay. Now what is the first term? Now just quickly tell me, what is the first term? First term equals to 2. 2 means 2 into 1. What is the second term? Second term equals to 4. Second term equals to 4. 4 means 2 into 2. What is the third term? 6. 6 means 2 into 3. Lamai, now you can identify the pattern, Patio. Now you can identify the pattern. T1, 1. T2, 2. T3, 3. That 2 is fixed. 2 is fixed. If you need to find out the T10, T10 means 2 into 10. T10 means 2 into 10. 2 into 10. 2 into 10, what is the value? 20. Likewise, if you need to find T100, T100 means 2 into 100. 2 into 100, what is the value? 200. 2 into 100, what is the value? 200. So you can see that 2 is fixed patio. Mea fixed lamai. That number 2 is fixed, but this one is continuously changing. According to that, we can get a common general term. Tn equals to 2 into n. 2 into n. 2 into n means 2n. That means general term equals to 2n. General term equals to 2n. Very easy, right? Very easy. Don't worry. I'm taking my second example. Look at this one. 5, 10, 15, 20. 5, 10, 15, 20. T1 equals to 5. T1 equals to 5. T1 equals to 5. 5 means 5 into 1. T2 equals to 10. T2 equals to 10. 10 means 5 into 2. T3 equals to 15. T3 equals to 15. 15 means 5 into 3. 5 into 3. Very easy. Now you can see 5 is common, no? 5 is common, no? Right, okay. Then let's try to find T80. Hoyanna patio T80. How to find the T80? 5 into, now 3, 3, 2, 2, 1, 1. That means 80, no? 5 into 80. 5 into 80, what is the value? 400. Likewise, you can find out Tn. Tn means n term. Tn means n term. So that is a general term, right? N term. Tn equals to 5 into n. What is the value? 5n. So that means general term equals to, what is the value? 5n. General term equals to, what is the value, Patio? 5n. So this is the question, right? Finding the general term part. Let's see another one example on this one. Then you can note it down clearly, right? Then you need to do that one with me. Try to do this one with me, right? Look at this one. 4, 8, 12, 16. Right. I'm just taking T1 equals to 4. 4 means 4 into 1. T1 equals to 4. 4 means 4 into 1. Right? 4 means 4 into 1. What is the second term, Pedro? Now second term you can write down. Now second term you can write down that one with me. Second term equals to, right? So what is the second term? T2. T2 equals to 8. 8 means 4 into 2. T3 means 12. 12 means 4 into 3. So likewise you can continue T50. T50 means 4 into 50. 4 into 50, what is the value? 200. 4 into 50, what is the value? 200. 4 into 50, what is the value? 200. Then you can do this one. Now you can see that 4 is common patio. Mea common, 4 common. Now you can see that 4 is common. So you can continue. They are asking T100. T100 means 4 into 100. 4 into 100, what is the value? 400. That means Tn equals to 4 into n. That means 4n. So what is the general term? General term equals to 4n. Right? I think that one is very clear. Shall we move to some questions? Right? Some questions are there, then we need to practice for this one. Let's quickly move to that question. Just quickly note it down. තියා ලියා ගන්න පැටියෝ ගාන්ට ලියා ගන්න ඔක්කොම ටික ලස්සනට ලියා ගන්න. If you have any questions, so we can solve this one, right? Then quickly we can move to the next chapter. Right, look at the question number 1. 11, 22, 33, 44. ළමයි, I will do three questions. Just try to understand the concept. Try to do that one before me. Mata කලින් කරන්න හරි. Then you can pause the video, right? Then you can note down the question. Just try to do that one before me. 11, 12, 33, 44. How to find the general term? First thing, we need to find the general term. Second question, then we need to find the 10th term. Third one, we need to find the 15th term. Likewise, we can do. Okay, let's try to do this one. Let's try to do this one quickly. Right, question number A. Our first target is find the general term. Okay, 11, 22, 33, 44. Likewise, we can continue. Right, look at this one video. I'm quickly moving to the first one. 11, no? So that means T1 equals to 11. 11 means 11 into 1. T2 equals to 22. 22 means 11 into 2. 11 into 2. 11 into 2. T3, 33. You can complete 33. You can complete this one now. 33 means 11 into 3. Look at this one. 11 is fixed. That 11 is fixed. So 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3, you can go on. 11 is fixed. Then you can find out the general term. Tn equals to 11 into n. That means general term equals to 11n. General term equals to 11n. Next question, part B. Find the 10th term. How to find the 10th term, Fadio? How to find the 10th term? 10th term means T10. 10th term means T10. T10 means now you know the common term, general term equals to 11n. Now you know the general term equals to 11n. N, we need 10. We need 10th. Now we know the common. This is the common term. This is the general term. Hari, එහෙනම් පැටියෝ 11. N means we can substitute 11 times n. N means that 10. Instead of n, we can substitute 10. 11 into 10, what is the value? 110. 11 into 10, what is the value? 110. 11 into 10, what is the value? 110. Now find the 10th term. What is the 10th term? 10th term equals to 110. Question number C. Find the 15th term. 15th term. 15 terms means Tn equals to 11n. Tn equals to 11n. Instead of n, we can substitute 15. 11n means that you 11 times n. 11n means 11 times n. 11 multiplied by 15. 11 multiplied by 15. 15 multiplied by 11. 11 into 5, 55. Remaining 5, right? 11 into 1, 11 plus 5, 160. What is the 15th term? 165. Right? This is the first question. In that question, there are 3 sub-questions. First, you need to find the general term value. Then you can find 10th term, 15th term. You can find any term after finding the general term. Okay? Right. Look at the second question video. In the number pattern 9, 18, 27, find the general term. So you need to find out the general term first. Right, okay. 9, 18, 27 and so on. T1 equals to 9 into 1. T1 equals to 9 into 1, no? So you can say T1 equals to 9 into 1. 9 into 1, ne? T1 equals to 9 into 1. Because this one, T2 equals to, right, 9 into 2. T2 equals to, what is the value of Petio? 9 into 2, right? 9 into 2, that means 9. So 9 means 9 into 2. Or you can write down like this, right? T1 equals to 9. 9 means 9 into 1. T2 equals to 18. 18 means 9 into 2. Right? T3 equals to, look at this one, T3 equals to 27. 27 means 9 into 3. 27 means 9 into 3. And you can find down the value Tn. Now that one is very easy. You can see that 9 is fixed. 9 is fixed, right? 9 is fixed. Okay. 9 times n. 9 times n. Find the general term. Right? Now what is the general term for you? 9n. Find the 8th term. Right, look at this one. Find the 8th term. Now we know Tn equals to 9 times n. So 8 term equals to 8 term. 8 term means instead of n, you need to substitute. Instead of n, you need to substitute 8. Instead of n, you need to substitute 8. Instead of n, you need to substitute 8. So that means Tn equals to 9 into n. Instead of n, you need to substitute 8. 9 into 8, what is the answer? 72. Question number C. Find the 10th term. That means Tn equals to 9n. 10th term means 9 into 10. 9 into 10, what is the value? 90 value. Right? I think now you can understand the format and you can understand the method clearly. Right? First you need to find the general term, then you can find out those. Okay? Right. So quickly note it down. Look at the third question video. In the number pattern with general term 100 times n, they have already given the general term. They have already given the general term. General term is already given. General term is දීලා තියෙන්නේ. ආයි බලන්න දෙයක් නැහැ. 100 times n. What is the 10th term? Now easy. No need to find the general term. General term is already given. Right? No need to find the general term. So what is the general term? 100 and n. Right? Look at this one. General term equals to 100 n. General term equals to 100 times n. General term equals to 100 times n. What is the 10th term? What is the 10th term? What is the 10th term? 10th term means T10. That means n equals to 10. n equals to 10. 10th term, n equals to 10, right? N equals to 10 means, so look at this one, 100 into n, instead of 100, 100 into 10. So 10th term equals to, find down the 10th term equals to 100 into 10. 100 into 10, what is the answer? 1, 2, 3, 0 should be there, 1000. 100 into 10, what is the answer? 1000. Which term is 500? Lamai, which term is 500? Now that means you know Tn equals to 100 times n. Tn equals to 100 times n, right? Tn equals to 100 times n. That means 100 into 100 into n, right? N, you don't know the value n, but we know 500. So which term equals to 500? That means 500. Look at this one. I'm taking like this. 500 equals to Tn equals to 110. No? 500 equals to 100 times n. 500 equals, now we need to find which term equals to 100 n. Which term? We need to find the term. So 500 is there. 500 equals to 100 times n. Then 100 times n. So we need to find the n value. We need to find the value n. Then you need to divide both sides by 100. 0 to 100 to 100 will be cancelled out. 0 to 0 cancelled out. 0 to 0 cancelled out. That means n equals to 5, or 5 equals to n, or n equals to 5. Which term is 500? Which term is 500? So what is the term? Fifth term. Fifth term is 500. Question number C, my dear. Question number C, my dear. Look at the question number C, Patio. Which term is 1700? Again, then you need to do this 100 times n. Okay, 1700 equals to 100 into n. 1700 equals to 100 into n. Divide both sides by 100. 100 to 100 cancelled out. 0 to 0 cancelled out. 0 to 0 cancelled out. You can divide by like this. 0 to 0 cancelled out. 0 to 0 cancelled out. Or 1700 divided by 100. 1700 divided by 100 means 17. So what is the term? N equals to 17. That means 17th term. 17th term. Question number 3. Okay, my dear. Right. Then you can note it down. Right. Look at the last question on this one video. Find the general term 8, 16, 24, 32. So you need to find the general term, and which term is 96. Now you can do this one. Very easy. Right. Look at this one. Then you can find the general term. So general term means 8, 16, 24, 32, right? That means T1 equals to 8. 8 means 18 to 1. T2 equals to 16. 16 means 18 to 2. 16 means 18 to 2. T3 equals to 24. 24 means 18 to 3. So you can see 8 is common. Then what is the value? Tn equals to 8n. So that means general term equals to 8n. General term equals to 8n. General term equals to 8n. Question number B. Which term is 96? Which term is 96? Then you need to identify what is the term that equals to 96. What is the term that equals to 96? So 96 means you can take Tn equals to 8n. Tn equals to 8n. Lamai. 96. 96 equals to 8n. Then you can divide both sides by 8. 8 to 8 cancel out. 96 divided by 8. 1, 8 and 16 means 2. So n equals to 12. So that means 12th term. 12th term equals to 96. Okay. Right. Lamai, this is the end of first video of this session. There are two videos for this session, for this chapter number pattern. There are two videos. First one, I already explained you how to find the general term, then how to deal with the numbers, then how to identify the terms like that. Second video, that is the most important part, I will teach you how to find down the general term of the odd number, even numbers, square numbers, like those, right? So you can note all the things here, right? So we can discuss more question in the classroom, right? So we can discuss at the online session, right? Just quickly note it down very clearly. Let's move to the second part of this video. What is that one? How to find the general term of square numbers, odd numbers and the even numbers.